Hello and welcome to a new video. This time we will be doing the exercises for the data retrieval video and the data tables. So if you want to have to do this exercise in advance, I will link it in the video description, but then please pause the video here because the solution will follow soon. So here we are, task 1. We need to load the all-time Olympic Games medal table from Wikipedia. So here I copied the link. Then I go to data, get data from other sources from rep. It will load a little bit. This will take some time potentially. Yeah, no problem, Microsoft. So I paste the URL, click on OK. And then it connects to the Wikipedia site. Connects again. Yeah, here we are. So, and in an instance, you can see here the different tables on the site. I don't expect them to be that much. No. Here we are. Yeah, there are a lot of tables. The preview is loading too long. Yeah, I don't know which one is the right table. Web view better. This one is the table I want to see. It's a question which table it is. Yeah, so table 3 it is. For example, you could also use another one. Then click here on load. And then in a new worksheet, the data, the table will appear. So here it is. I think I've made here a little bit different table, but never mind. So that was the first one, data retrieval from web, and now we are doing handling with data types. So task 2, and therefore we have here our names we want to get the data on. These are stock things, and here we are. Simple click on data and then on data types on stock. So first highlight the cells or select the cells before, please. And then here we want to have the price. Drag this down or copy this down, and you see it's right. Here, this is a currency pair, also working. The instrument type. Sorry that this is in German. And here you can also do this one and the ticker symbol here. Here, these are geographical data, so select them and click on data and then on data types geography. Then I want to have the population. I want to have the GDP, and I want to have the the area, and you see everything is right. So now we're doing the data tables. Here we have two different values. Sorry, two different values, and here we have separate other values, a lot of them. And how this result is, this value is calculating, doesn't matter. It's only for illustrative purposes. This could also be the result of a large financial model or other things. So, and here we would need to build this and alternate input value 1. So here we are. We could either copy the formula or reference to the cell where the result is in. Then select the whole thing. Go to data, what if analysis, and data table. Now we see our input values we want to put in are in a column. So I need to click column input cell and then select the cell where the value should be pasted in item by item. Click on OK, and you see the result here. So first there is this one is inputted there, and then this is the value here is copied there, then there's 2 inputted there and the value is copied there, and so on and so on. So here we're doing this with 2 values. So first we need to click, after we have here inputted the result or a reference to the result cell and highlighted, selected all the cells, then we need to click on what if analysis data table. Now we have both, we have values in a row and values in a column. So here we see these are values in a row and these are values too. And here column input cell, these values are in a column, and these are value input 1. And you see a lot of things. Yeah, this doesn't make sense potentially to you, but it is making sense then. So thank you for attention. I hope to see you next time.